going to be very excited to hang your artworks in our exhibition, in our 2 exhibitions. So one will be at Surrey Hills, and that will be opening on Saturday. That will be the smaller prints that you see outside, and many others will be in that exhibition. And we're having an exhibition at the Botanic Gardens as well. And I particularly want to thank Sophie Daniel, who's here today, for supporting the competition and for allowing us to have that exhibition in the Botanic Gardens. It's going to be fantastic, I know, and I think Sophie's really excited about it too. So you are actually doing something really worthwhile, because your works are going to be seen by so many people. And I believe in the gardens in spring there are thousands of visitors. So your work will potentially be seen by thousands of people, and you're going to be helping to raise up more understanding and appreciation of threatened species. So well done. And the second prize for group work goes to Artbox Workshops for Lepidopteras fleeing the city of Sydney.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sebastian.